Before you start cleaning your Vespa or scooter, activate the center stand first. Make sure that the engine and body of the scooter is at room temperature. Remove everything inside the U-box to prevent your stuff from getting wet. Be sure to park your Vespa or scooter in a shaded area or in your garage. Do not ever wash it under the sun, or else the water and soap will quickly dry and that will create paint marks. I will be using 2 buckets, a pair of wash mitt, car shampoo, degreaser for the engine area and wheels, chamois and some brushes, interior cleaner, and a leather conditioner. These 2 are optional. Remember not to concentrate these areas with high pressured water. This is only a safety measure to prevent any electrical conductivity. Clean everything first to make sure that there will be no dirt or debris on the bucket, wash mitt, and brushes that can cause scratches. Fill the second bucket. This will be used for rinsing the wash mitt. 2 bucket method works by dipping the wash mitt into the solution, then scrub it into the scooter. After that, rinse the wash mitt on the second bucket to remove the dirt. Then dip it again into the solution and start scrubbing again. The cycle repeats until you finish the job. Use a soft bristle brush for tight spaces. Next is to clean the under area, drivetrain, and the wheels. Use a degreaser and some brushes. The next thing that I will do is optional, which are cleaning the U-box and the battery area. I've used an interior cleaning solution for the U-box. After cleaning the U-box, I will put some cover for the engine and air intake box to prevent them from getting wet, since I will be cleaning the whole area. I decided to clean this panel first before I remove it to prevent the dirt and debris from falling inside. Grab a screwdriver to loosen all screws. Now I need to clean those areas in order to prevent any rust issues, especially on this Vespa. Remove the battery to gain more access. The middle bolt is a torque screw. This little fuse box can be removed by pressing the tab and pull the whole thing away. Gently lift the relay holder. Lift the battery tray and clean it. Clean the area by wiping it with a clean cloth. You can use a compressed air to hasten the process. Make sure everything is dry before you reinstall everything back together. Use a chamois to dry off the body panels. Now these are optional process. Use a leather conditioner for the seat of the scooter. Use a tar black or a tar shine on the tires. And now we are done cleaning. hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe now for more videos. Thank you very much and God bless.